Not all meats are created equal, especially when you're managing diabetes. Some cuts and cooking styles quietly push blood sugar and heart risk in the wrong direction, while others help you stabilize glucose, protect nerves and kidneys, and keep you full for hours. Today we're ranking the top meats for a diabetes-friendly plate, how to pick the right cuts, the healthiest prep methods, the portions that actually support your goals, and the perfect side pairings to keep your numbers steady all day. Why? Meat. Choice. Matters for diabetes. Protein itself doesn't raise blood sugar, but what travels with it, saturated fat, excess sodium, breading, sugary glazes, can drive insulin resistance, raise blood pressure, and inflame your system. The good news, when you choose lean, minimally processed meats and cook them smartly, meat becomes a powerful tool to lower post-meal glucose spikes, improve satiety, and support weight management. Quick rules. To remember: prioritize lean, minimally processed options. Grill, bake, roast, steam, or pan-sear instead of deep frying. Use herbs, spices, citrus, garlic, pepper. Avoid sugary marinades and heavy sauces. Pair with fiber-rich, low GI sides, non-starchy veg, beans, lentils, or small portions of intact whole grains. Keep sodium sensible. Aim less than or equal to 140 milligrams per serving on labels when possible. Standard meat portion, 3 to 4 ounces, cooked, about a deck of cards, palm. 1. Fish, fatty and lean. Why it's great: fish is naturally carb-free, so it's glycemic neutral. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, trout, deliver omega-3s that support heart rhythm, triglycerides, and anti-inflammatory pathways that matter for nerve health and insulin sensitivity. Lean fish, cod, haddock, tilapia, sole, keeps calories lower while still providing high-quality protein to slow gastric emptying and flatten your post-meal glucose curve. What to avoid? Breaded fish sticks, deep-fried fillets, sugary teriyaki glazes, and ultra-salty frozen options. Check labels for sodium, added sugars, and poor-quality oils. Best prep: grill, bake, steam, or quick pan-sear in a little olive oil. Season with lemon, paprika, dill, garlic, black pepper, chili flakes, or a no-salt herb blend. Aim for fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week. Portion and pairings: 3 to 4 ounces cooked fish with roasted broccoli or asparagus, a lemony side salad, or a small scoop of quinoa. This protein plus fiber combo stabilizes glucose and keeps you satisfied. Pro tip: canned salmon or sardines, packed in water, olive oil, are great budget options. Just watch the sodium line. 2. Lean beef. Why it's great. Lean beef provides complete protein, iron for energy and anemia prevention, zinc, immune and wound healing, and B vitamins, metabolism, nerve support. The key is lean: sirloin, tenderloin, eye of round, top round, and 90% plus lean ground beef. What to avoid: ribeye/brisket frequently, and especially processed beef, like hot dogs, sausages, deli slices. These typically pack sodium, additives, and saturated fat. Best prep: grill, roast, broil, or stir-fry in a small amount of olive or avocado oil. Skip sugary marinades. Use herbs, garlic, cumin, coriander, chili, black pepper, lime. Trim visible fat. Portion and pairings: 3 to 4 ounces cooked. Serve with a mountain of non-starchy veg, zucchini, peppers, mushrooms, and a spoon of intact whole grains, farro, barley, quinoa, or a fiber-rich legume salad. Avoid refined rolls, fries, and creamy gravies. Pro tip: if you love burgers, make it a 90 to 95% lean patty, pile on veggies, go bunless, or choose a small whole grain bun, and swap ketchup BBQ sauce for mustard, plus tomato, plus onion, plus pickles. 3. Turkey. Why it's great. Turkey breast is a lean protein powerhouse, high satiety, low calories, and virtually no carbs. Dark meat can fit too. Just watch the portion. Turkey supports steadier glucose by slowing carb absorption and provides selenium, zinc, and B vitamins for immune, thyroid, and brain function. What to avoid? Deli turkey, turkey bacon, and turkey sausages. The health halo hides high sodium and preservatives. If you use them, choose low, no salt added, and keep portions modest. Best prep: bake, grill, roast, or steam. Use olive oil, lemon, rosemary, thyme, smoked paprika, garlic, and pepper. Avoid deep frying or sticky sweet glazes. Portion and pairings: 3 to 4 ounces cooked turkey breast with roasted Brussels sprouts, cauliflower mash, or a hearty salad. For a grain, choose small portions of quinoa or wild rice and load up on veggies. Pro tip: batch cook turkey breast cutlets on Sunday. Slice for the week's salads, bowls, and lettuce wrap sandwiches. Portable shellfish. Why it's great. Shrimp, crab, lobster, scallops, mussels, and oysters are high in protein and naturally low in carbs. Many options are low in fat, while some, oysters, mussels, also offer omega-3s. They deliver B12, zinc, and selenium for nerve, thyroid, and immune support. What to avoid? Breaded or fried shrimp, sugary cocktail sauces, and ultra-salty pre-cooked trays. Watch cholesterol if you eat lots of shrimp/crab. Portion control is your friend. Best prep: steam, grill, bake, or quick sauté with olive oil. Lemon, garlic, paprika, parsley, chili, and black pepper add flavor without sugar or sodium overload. Portion and pairings: 3 to 4 ounces cooked. Serve with sautéed greens, roasted asparagus, a tomato-cucumber salad, or a small scoop of quinoa. Keep sauces simple. Think olive oil plus lemon plus herbs. Pro tip: for a fast, balanced bowl, garlic lemon shrimp over cauliflower rice with cherry tomatoes and olives. 5. Skinless chicken. Why it's great. Skinless chicken breast is low in fat and calories, high in protein and carb-free, ideal for stabilizing blood sugar and building/maintaining lean mass. Dark meat can fit too. Just mind the portion. What to avoid? Chicken nuggets, breaded tenders, and deli chicken. These often hide refined starches, poor quality oils, and high sodium. Best prep: bake, grill, poach, steam, or air fry with minimal oil. Season with citrus, garlic, smoked paprika, oregano, thyme, or curry spices. Skip heavy cream sauces and sticky sweet glazes. Portion and pairings: 3 to 4 ounces cooked chicken with non-starchy vegetables. Spinach, green beans, zucchini, mushrooms, peppers, and a modest serving of intact whole grains or beans. Avoid big piles of white rice, fries, and sugary dressings. Pro tip: marinate in olive oil, plus lemon, plus rosemary, plus garlic to boost flavor while keeping it heart-friendly and low sodium. 6. Eggs, budget protein MVP. Why they're here. Eggs aren't meat, but for diabetes they act like the perfect protein, glycemic neutral, super satiating, and packed with B12, choline, selenium, lutein, and zeaxanthin for nerve, brain, and eye support. They make it easy to anchor breakfast, or any meal, around protein and steer clear of early glucose spikes. Best prep: boiled, poached, or soft scrambled with minimal oil. Avoid heavy butter baths and grease-heavy sides, bacon/sausage. Fold in sautéed veggies, or serve with avocado and leafy greens. Portion and pairings: 1 to 2 eggs per meal for most people. Round out with tomatoes, spinach, mushrooms, and a small slice of whole grain toast if desired. Pro tip: if LDL is a concern, emphasize egg whites more often and keep yolks moderate. Consider omega-3 enriched eggs for extra heart benefits. The Diabetes Smart Build-A-Plate Formula Protein Anchor, 1/4 to 1/3 of plate. Fish, turkey, chicken, lean beef, shellfish, eggs. Fiber wall, half plate. Non-starchy veg, greens, crucifers, peppers, mushrooms, zucchini. Smart carbs, 1/6 to 1/4 plate. Intact whole grains or legumes if desired. Quinoa, farro, lentils. Healthy fats, 1 to 2 teaspoons per small thumb. Olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds. Flavor boosters. Citrus, herbs, garlic, spices, pepper, vinegar. Skip sugary sauces. This plate design slows digestion, blunts glucose spikes, and improves satiety without feeling deprived. Cooking methods that help and hurt. Best for blood sugar and heart health. Baking, grilling, roasting, steaming, poaching, air frying. Pan searing with a small amount of olive/avocado oil. Dry rubs, herb blends, citrus, garlic, pepper, and vinegars. Methods to limit deep frying, heavy battering, char broiling until blackened, sugary glazes, and high-sodium marinades. Simple, ready-to-use meal. Ideas. Lemon dill. Salmon plate. 4 ounces baked salmon, big pile of roasted asparagus, side salad with olive oil plus lemon. Turkey veggie skillet. 4 ounces turkey breast strips stir-fried with peppers, zucchini, mushrooms. Finish with garlic, paprika, and parsley. Garlic shrimp bowl, 4 ounces. Shrimp sautéed in olive oil, plus garlic over cauliflower rice. Cherry tomatoes, arugula, and a squeeze of lemon. Lean beef and broccoli, 3 to 4 ounces thin-sliced sirloin. Lots of broccoli plus mushrooms. Glaze with tamari, plus ginger, plus chili. Low sodium. Herbed chicken tray. Bake. 4 ounces chicken breast with zucchini, onions, and peppers. Olive oil, rosemary, black pepper, lemon. Veggie egg. Scramble. 2 eggs scrambled with spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms. Side of 1/4 avocado. Smart shopping and label reading. Look for 90% lean or higher on ground meats. Choose fresh or frozen plain fish/shellfish. Avoid breaded/seasoned versions. Scan sodium. Aim less than or equal to 140 milligrams per serving when possible. Natural doesn't mean low sodium. Always check the panel. Skip products with long ingredient lists, stabilizers, and sugars in marinades. Common mistakes to avoid. Thinking protein is a free-for-all. Stick to 3 to 4 ounces cooked portions. Pairing meat with high GI sides, white rice, fries, large mashed potatoes with cream. Letting sauces sabotage you. Most common barbecue and teriyaki sauces are loaded with sugar. Relying on deli meats and diet turkey bacon, sodium and additives add up fast. Ignoring fiber. The protein plus fiber combo is what flattens your glucose curve. 7-day dinner rotation. Monday, lemon garlic chicken plus roasted broccoli plus side salad. Tuesday, salmon with dill plus asparagus plus half a cup quinoa. Wednesday, lean beef and veggie stir-fry over cauliflower rice. Thursday, shrimp and zucchini scampi, olive oil, garlic, lemon, plus tomato salad. Friday, turkey cutlets with mushrooms, plus green beans, almondine. Sat, egg and spinach, frittata, plus arugula, salad with olives. Sun, trout with herbs, plus roasted Brussels sprouts, plus small sweet potato, if it fits your plan. Conclusion. Choosing the right meats and cooking them the right way can transform your mornings, stabilize your afternoons, and protect your long-term health. Keep portions in check. Pair protein with fiber and color, flavor with herbs and citrus, and skip the sugar-salt traps. Your blood sugar, energy, and labs will thank you. If you want, I can turn this into a printable checklist. Cuts to buy, cooking methods, spice mixes, and portion guide. You can share in your description.